Good afternoon, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the Essentially. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the FibStalker nickname. Good afternoon, this is today is Saturday the 17th 2012 and it's 3:30 p.m. Italian time. This video review is a video review of the euro dollar both on the weekly and the daily chart, and it is part of the November 18th newsletter I only distribute to my subscribers. If you want to receive this newsletter, it's easy. Go to on my website and subscribe. On the left side there is a picture and you can click and subscribe. I will start doing a review of the euro dollar on the weekly chart. I'm using the cash the euro versus USD forex pair because I have more data and I can show you what is going on the euro on the long term. Those who follow me will remember that we had I like to trace this measure move higher. It's a traditional and it shows us support in the 122 area here, and this area has acted as support in the last few years, and it was tested in 2010 and again in June 2012. The euro is moving in this descending triangle, if you wish. We will see where this setup is going to bring price. It could bring price to this trend line here. Every time price tested this level, there was a move higher, so this is a very significant level. I want to show you that this setup has much higher targets for the euro. Clearly, the first thing we expect is the trend line to be retested and price to keep moving higher into the upper bound of this channel here. But should the dollar get very weak, then we could actually move much higher, and I want to show you that this setup on the weekly chart has a target in the 178.20 area. Now, if this seems extreme, and at the moment I understand, but should the dollar become very weak in the next months, then this is something that we cannot rule out. Let's move to the before I move to the daily chart, I want to show something very important here, and the support level that we have on the weekly chart could be indeed an important level that could help us also to identify the support for the euro. In fact, in the last few months, I've been looking for the support in the euro, the 126.05, which is the 126.20 on the futures currency futures contract. As you can see, price also tested the 20-week moving average, so it couldn't make to this 126 level. So what price is trading is actually another level, is this low here, and this is 120.132, and actually if I traced better this support line, that would actually correspond to this level. So it's possible that the next leg higher is starting from here. Now let's move to the daily chart, and I'm using the FX currency continuous contract here, the futures, and this contract is aligned to December expiration. The same level I've indicated here before, it corresponds to this level on the future. This is this bar low at 121.51. So as you can see, price tested this level in the 126.68 and the low we saw so far was 126.65, and this could actually be the low of this move lower. Now we also have to observe, and this is another important hint, that after bouncing from this support, price violated the next measured move lower. So we know that this is a valid support. It doesn't mean that price couldn't go lower and reach the 126.20 area, but at the moment I'm going to assume this is support, and what we are going to see, we should see price now moving higher, and it's not going to be a straight move higher, but I believe this 20-day moving average initially will provide some sort of resistance, so we should move higher and then come back lower, and then that's where the actual move higher is going to start. And if you review the FibStalker view on currencies this week, you'll see that the dollar index reached actually its resistance area, so this corresponds to this area in the euro. So should euro come back again, this should act as a support again. So that's what I expect. I hope this video is interesting. If you want to receive this video, usually I publish this video on the blog 6 days later on Saturday, but if you want to get this video as soon as I record it, actually when I send out the newsletter, and this will be tomorrow, November 18th, just subscribe to the free newsletter and you'll get the video along with the comments. I hope this is interesting. I wish you a very good weekend and a very good trading week next week, and thank you for your interest, and bye bye.